You just you take that needle, you just put it onto the sterile syringe, and you just snap it on. And what you're gonna do is you do that, you snap this pink cap off. It comes right off, so you just snap it. You take an alcohol wipe and you wipe the top. Okay, so and then you would do the same for this valve, your ACG valve. You would snap the purple cap off and wipe that valve as well. This sodium chloride that's in here you do not need, so you can discard it. It's not enough to actually mix 30-day supply. And sodium chloride really does not last long as bacteriostatic water, so I would not recommend that, so you can discard that. Alright, so now here we go. We're going to start mixing, okay? So what I would do if I were mixing it, again, remember these tops are removed. Just imagine with me, okay? And what you're going to do, so we're mixing the 30 days. So we are going to remove the 20 mLs of water out, okay? We only need 10 mL, so we're going to remove 20 mLs of bacteriostatic water out. And once you remove that, you can go ahead and discard it in like a plant or in your sink or whatever in a cup. You don't need it any longer. So when you're withdrawing your bacteriostatic water out, you would do that. This is only 5 mLs. So you would do that 4 times. So 4 times you would fill the syringe with 5 mLs, remove 20 mLs of water, and that will leave you with 10 mLs of water. Okay? So next what we would do is to withdraw at least 1 mL of bacteriostatic water into the syringe, and you're going to insert it. You're going to insert it into this little valve. Okay? And what you're doing is we want to melt the ACG. Okay, it's going to dissolve as soon as that bacteriostatic water hits that. Okay, so now say you have the bacteriostatic water in there. And what you're going to do is it melts instantly. You make sure you absorbed all the ACG and you're going to just roll it around. Okay, and then what you're going to do is take that syringe again. And you're going to withdraw as much as you can of the ACG out. Now, it might take you a couple of times, and that is okay. Do not rush it. Make sure you get every drop out. And sometimes you might have to kind of tilt it to get every little drop out. So, say you have the needle in your hand, you might have to tilt it. So, once you do that, you would fill the syringe, take the mixture of the bacteriostatic water and ACG, and you're going to fill that back up into the water that's in this valve. Okay, once you get all the ACG, you're going to just keep taking as much as you can, even if it's a little bit, and put it back into this valve. And so we say we did that, and you're just going to you can mix it by just rolling the valve around. And it's that simple. And your ACG is mixed. Now, if you're doing 60 days, you do the same thing. You would take out, you would leave 20 mLs of water in the valve and remove 10 mLs. Okay, and for each valve, you're going to just apply as little water and dissolve the ACG. Okay, and take it from this valve and put it into this valve. This is your valve right here, and and that's it. Then it's all mixed. Now, some people like to pre-fill their syringes, and I have a real syringe so you can see. The first 2 days are your loading days, so you are only going to inject 25 units of ACG on day 1 and day 2. And then when you start your VLCD, which stands for very low calorie diet, we're going to start you at 35. Now, after 3 days, if you still feel that you have hunger issues, because everyone